You eat your dog and see their reaction.
You taste yummy. Tastes so good. You want to try a piece? Try. You taste good, right? Eat it. Dog tastes good. That tastes yummy.
People on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Oh, see how annoying it is when somebody wakes you up while you're sleeping? Oh, I can't.
Go eat your food. No, go eat. Go eat your. Go eat your food. Get down. Get down. Go eat your food. You heard what I said. Don't make.
This is how I taught Oakley to get me a beer. Step 1 is to get them comfortable holding the beer. Oaks, hold. Fetch. Yes, good girl. Repeat this until your dog is reliably grabbing and holding the beer. Oak, hold. Yes. Next, you want to ask them to fetch it off the ground. Oakley, fetch. Good girl, hold. Yes. Next, you want them to start getting the beer out of the fridge. Oakley, give me the beer. Yes. Practice this at different distances until they get really good at it. Oakley, go get me a beer. Yes. Next, you want to start working on opening the door. Just encourage them to grab it and pull. Yes. Once they understand the pulling motion, have them practice opening the door. Once they get the fridge open, just wait them out and they should click and realize to get the beer. Once they're good at that, then you teach them to shut the door. And I just use treats and lure her until she pushes the door.
Been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
Minutes drive from here. I can go with train if you want to stay here. I don't mind. Or if you want to drive, up to you.
Okay. Oh, she wants with the teddy bear. Okay.
Okay. No.
Okay, with the teddy bear, 2.24. All right, so 2.24 minus.
Or whatever, I need a little break.
0.16.
Yeah.
My maths. Okay.